Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. If you guys are new here, hi, my name is Mitchie. If you haven't subscribed yet, then go ahead and please subscribe. I am doing the how to be that girl / morning routine. I'm gonna explain a little bit more about it in a couple seconds about this trend. But yeah, first thing that I do in the morning is I do gravitate towards my phone, but it isn't to get on social media. I actually don't like to get on social media first thing in the morning. So what I like to do is I like to open up my iBooks app and I read my devotional. And it's right now I'm reading the Draw the Circle 40-day prayer challenge. And I just kind of like to hear God's voice before I hear anything else, and that is what I do in the first thing. And now I actually just force myself to wake up and get out of bed. And I do actually like to make my bed first thing in the morning. I feel like if I skip this step, then I don't feel as productive. I don't know, I'm not really there mentally. I actually feel like this helps a lot. It's actually proven, and so this is why I make my bed first thing in the morning. But yeah, so I just kind of wanted to explain a little bit more about what that girl kind of means. And honesty is different for everybody. Not every girl is the same, but I guess the point of this trend is really to recreate your ideal morning routine. So that may look different for everybody else, but for me, this is my ideal morning. This is what I strive to do every single day. But obviously, that's not true. I don't do this. Is not what my morning looks like every single day. Some mornings I have to go to work, so it doesn't look like that every day, but I try for it to be. After I have made my bed, the first thing that I like to do is go downstairs and make myself some coffee. Actually, in the morning, I cannot eat anything. I'm not hungry in the morning like that. I think I feel sick, honestly. I'm not in the mood to eat anything. So what I do is I just make some coffee, and yeah, that's basically what I have the first thing in the morning. After I have made myself some coffee, what I like to do is I come upstairs and I have to plan my day out. I do this every single morning, because if I don't, I'm not gonna get anything done. I'm pretty sure I showed you guys which one I do on my waking up at 5 a.m. morning video. This is the the weekly calendar that I use, and I need to do this in order to know what exactly I have to do that day. But yeah, so right now it's time for some journaling, some Jesus time, and I like to light a candle. I don't know, set the mood, and then I just pick out this little corner. This is where I like to sit, and I just like to do everything there. Right now I am journaling. I'm actually gonna make a video, so stay tuned for that on journaling. But I haven't been the same ever since I started this. I'm actually finished with this one. This is my third one. I feel like I have gained so much clarity. I feel like I have improved so much ever since I started this, and so I'm never ever going back. So here, before I do my devo for the day, before I start reading the Bible, I have to pray, and so that is what I'm doing right here. I feel like this is my moment of talking to God and kind of expressing everything that I'm kind of going through. Besides the journaling part, things that I make into a prayer. And then it just gets kind of personal for a second, because don't believe everything you see on social media. It may look like, peaches and cream all the time, but it's not. I was struggling, and I am going through things and some hard stuff during this time, so kind of had to let that go before God. And then after I kind of do my little short prayer, I just started to read my word. Honestly, it looks different every day. Some days it's longer, some days it's shorter, but for the most part, I do definitely try to get this in. If I don't do my devotional, honestly, I feel very lost in life, and I feel very empty, and I feel not on purpose. And so this is why I have to do this. Now I'm just going to get my workout clothes ready, and I'm just picked up some tights and then some this little cropped long sleeve. I was gonna go to the gym, but honestly, you guys, it was just way too crowded and it was way too much for this video, so I decided to go on a walk. And honestly, this was the best decision that I made. Honestly, I just chose a podcast and started listening, and then I just was learning. I was exercising, basically working out, and then also working out my spiritual too. So honestly, I'm gonna continue to do this more often, but it was a really, really good walk.
freezing. I'm red. It's like, it says it's 87 degrees, but that is a freaking lie. It's like 125,000 degrees outside. Anyway, that's besides the point. But I like saw a lake and I was like, oh my god, it's so cute. And then I saw like a bunch of iguanas. I think you guys, I probably included it. Literally freaking cried.
Alright, now after I have worked out and I have gotten all that out of the way, now at this point I'm literally starving. Around this time it's usually like 10:30 in the morning, and so I'm very hungry. And so at this point I'm just gonna make myself a smoothie, and I just like picked out some frozen ones because honestly the fresh ones they always tend to go bad, because like I don't want to do this every day, but I like having the option of doing it, you know. So right now I'm just doing some peaches, some blueberries, some strawberries, and then I just put in some almond milk. I actually forgot to show you guys, but I did put like 1 spoon of brown sugar, and then I just make a little smoothie. This has honestly been my go-to breakfast. I've been trying to recreate the egg white girl muffin from Chick-fil-A. Honestly, I feel like I did a really good job. It was actually really good. It's really healthy. It would taste literally the same if I were to make a grilled filet, but honestly that's way too much for me. I'm way too lazy to do all that in the morning. So I just put some cheese on it. You guys are gonna see, and it still tastes really good. Usually while I'm having my breakfast, this is the time where I like hop on Instagram, and I start like going on TikTok, starting to get ideas, things to do, like YouTube videos, TikTok videos. So this is what I like to do in the morning. I just start like looking up things for work, and then I go and take a shower because I like to kind of get ready before. These are the shampoos and conditioners I'm using right now. Actually, a friend recommended them, so I am trying them. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and get ready, picking out like this little pretty little thing t-shirt, and then I'm just gonna pair it with some like biker shorts, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and get ready. Honestly, like I feel like when I get ready in the morning, I kind of get this out the way to do a lot more. So I had to edit a video this day, and then I had to go into work at Chick-fil-A, if you don't know. And so I feel like if I do my makeup at first, then I actually have more time to work. And plus some days I have to film during the day, or have to edit videos, or I just have to like do TikTok. So for me to just get ready, it just makes a whole lot easier. And now it is time to do my hair, and so this is me trying to be a TikToker on YouTube. And so usually I like to have like quotes and like verses on my wall, but these were kind of getting old, and I feel like I needed some like new Bible verses, some new like words of encouragement, some new like affirmations. And so I just decided to switch out the old ones and put on some new ones for this like new season. But yeah, you guys, that's basically it for today's video. I'm just gonna spend the rest of the day basically editing and working. But yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.